Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In the 37th stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, Karam Khand ki Pani Jor, Tithe Hor na Koi Hor, Tithe Jod Mahabal Sur, Tin Mein Ram Raya Parpur, Tithe Sito Sita Mahima Ma, Tak Roop na Kathne Jaye, Nao Mare na Thake Jaye, जिनके राम वसे मन मा तिथे भगत वसे कह लो, करे आनंद सच्चा मन सोए, सचखंड वसे निरंकार, कर कर वेखे नदर निहाल, तिथे खंड मंडल वर भंड, तिथे लो लो आकार, जिव जिव हुकुम तिबे तिबकार, वेखे विकसे कर विचार, नानक कथना करड़ा सार. Now Karam Khand is the fourth level, the fourth khand of our upliftment. The first one was that of Dharam Khand, then Gyan Khand, then Sram Khand, and then Karam Khand. In this Karam Khand, he says, Karam Khand ma Bani Jor. The word plays an important role here. Karam Khand mein Bani Jor, tithe hor na koi hor. The Bani, the Bani of the person who has reached this level is very, very powerful. Karam Khand mein Bani Jor, tithe hor na koi hor. A person who reaches this level, he is in full contact with the Lord. Wherever he sees, whatever he sees the Lord himself. And tithe hor na koi hor. At this level, for the person who has reached this level, he is not bothered. He is not worried about anything else. He doesn't get involved with any other means to reach the Lord because he is in touch with Him. Tithe hor na koi hor. Tithe jod mahabal sur. Tithe jod mahabal sur. The great warriors, soldiers, the brave people, he becomes as powerful as a Jodha. Tithe jod mahabal sur. Tin mein Ram raya parpur. The God lives in this man in full glory. He is not even worried whether God is there with him or not because he knows that he is there. Tin mein Ram raya parpur. Tithe Sito Sita Mahima Mat. Sito Sita. Sito Sita means he is fully sewed up. He is fully sewed. Sito Sita. There is no chance of anything passing away. Like if we hold the sand in our hands, the sand goes off our fingers, the gaps that we have. But there he is not worried about it because now he holds the knowledge. Titha Sito Sita Mahima Mat. Tak Roop na Kathane Jaye. One cannot describe the appearance of such a man because he is in his all glory. Tak Roop na Kathana Jaye. Nao Mare na Thage Jaye. Nao Mare doesn't mean that such a person will not die. He will die. Throughout and throughout the Vani explains or tells us that the ones who learn to die while living, and how one can die while living is I have explained in very other stanzas also, by killing your own ego, by killing the five vices, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Ahankar, the lust, the anger, the greed, the attachment, the pride. By killing them, we can learn to die while we are still alive. So he said, "Na o mare na thage jaye." Such a person cannot be cheated. Who will come and cheat such a person? They are not bothered. Na o mare na thage jaye. Jinke Ram vase man ma tithe bhagat vase ke lo. Where the God comes and lives, there he is a pure disciple. Na o mare na thage jaye. Jinke Ram vase man ma tithe bhagat vase ke lo. The bhagats, the worshippers live wherever they are put, whichever planet they are put. नाउ मरे न ठाके जा जिनके राम वसे मन माते तो भगत वसे कलो करे आनंद सच्चा मन सोए सचखंड वसे निरंकार. The person who reaches this level lives in pure bliss and becomes one with the Lord. Sachkhand vase nirankar, kar kar vekhe nadar nihal. The Lord sees his own entire universe, kar kar vekhe nadar nihal. And when he showers the glance of his eyes, that is, when he is now concentrated towards the worshipper is blessed. He reaches the level of glory, bliss. ताके रूप ना कथ न जाए, ना उमर न ठागे जाए, जिनके राम वसे मन माए, तिथे भगत वसे के लो, करे आनंद सच्चा मन सोए, सच खंड वसे निरंकार, कर कर वेखे नदर निहाल, तिथे खंड मंडल वर पंड, तिथे खंड मंडल वर पंड. All the khands, all the celestial bodies in the Brahmand, there the worshippers are singing his praises, living in glory, living in bliss. ताके खंड ब्रह्मांड ताके तिथे लो लो आकार जिव जिव घूमते हुए उपकार वेखे बिकसे कर विचार नानक कथना कदा सार. The glory of such people, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that if you want to describe the condition of such people, it is like chewing something made of iron. Nanak Kathna Karada Sar. Karada here stands for something hard as iron. He says the condition of a person who has reached the Sachkhand, who has become one with the God, is something like chewing iron pellets. So this is something where this after reaching such kind of becoming one with the Lord, he sees the Lord present in each and every creature, in each and every plant, even in non-living things. They find the existence of the God, and they find that there's no place in the universe where the God doesn't exist. Unfortunately, at times we find one place where God doesn't exist, and that is our own hearts and minds. At times we don't give place to the Lord. So this is what I understood from the 37th stanza of Japji Sahib, and while putting it across, I might have faltered. I seek forgiveness from the viewers, from the learned people, and I request you to kindly subscribe to this channel and let me know my mistakes so that I can improve in my future endeavors. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.